Here we go, test run, MTZ100, 4-cylinder radial on 415 volt 3-phase. These particular scrolls have got to be the hardest to drain. There's no purging point or anything, you just got to take this rotor lock off and tip it over. Just got to roll it onto this piece of steel tubing and hope for the best. Make it take a dump. So I've still got to cut around the bottom and then around the top, probably about here, and then separate the three pieces. All of them. Not all of these are brand new, usable stock. I doubt actually that a lot of them would be reliable anyway. This one was marked dead before it even got here. So maybe this is a factory defective batch. They're all made in China, unfortunately, all these scroll compressors. So I wouldn't risk them. Is it 2000 something? Yeah, made in China, doesn't say when. I'm guessing they're only a few years old. Well, that didn't work. Severed its neck but hasn't separated. There's a spacer in there and one in there to support the motor. I'll have to cut it there. That's a ton of work to get one of these open. They're all tied together with brackets. This is the only one I'm going to open up. The rest of them I'm just going to cut a window in them so they're no longer a pressure vessel and chuck them in the steel bin. Well, that was good. Had a bit of fun, made some money, and I also found myself a doorbell. It's an old telecommunications. Not sure what voltage it'd run off, probably phone line volts, which I think is 50. So it's going to take a bit to make up a power supply, but it's not hard. I think it's alright inside. I had the cover off. Looks pretty good. I'll turn that into a doorbell for the workshop, I think. There's all the stators and things I've been collecting recently. I'll cut them up too. Maybe another $300, $350 worth. It should get me out of trouble for a while. Got a lot more work to do though.